If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Spotify account, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your Spotify account on the website or app. Navigate to your account settings where you can manage security options. Step 2. Locate two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the section for two-factor authentication. This is where you can manage your current authentication method. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. If you want to reset it, you may need to disable the current two-factor authentication method. Follow the prompts to turn it off. Step 4. Re-enable two-factor authentication. Once disabled, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method, such as using an authentication app or receiving SMS codes. Step 5. Verify your new settings. After re-enabling, follow the instructions to verify your new two-factor authentication setup. Make sure to test it to ensure it works correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Spotify and enhance your account security.